Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the snipping tool and preparing the content you want to highlight. Select the mode that best fits the target area. Rectangular is fastest for documents. Once done, set a short delay only if you need to open a menu or position the cursor. Make sure the window you'll capture is visible and unobstructed, and avoid overlapping toolbars. Now position your screen content so you can quickly draw the snip without redoing steps. You'll capture the snip by drawing around the area you want to mark. After the snip opens, choose the highlighter tool and pick a color and thickness that contrasts with your background so viewers can see emphasis clearly. Use slower, deliberate strokes to avoid uneven marks. If you make a mistake, use the eraser or the undo button immediately. Once satisfied, you can add a pen stroke to point something out or use the select tool to nudge the image before saving. You'll finish by saving or sharing your highlighted capture. Click Save to store a PNG or JPG, or copy to paste directly into a document or chat. Sharing options let you send via mail or apps. Make sure to name files clearly and choose a folder you'll remember. If the highlighter isn't visible or tools are missing, restart the app, check for Windows updates, or switch to Snip and Sketch. These quick fixes resolve most tool glitches and get you back to marking up your screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.